Building your own car at home sounds impossible to most people. But it's not magic, it's a process. This series is a complete A to Z breakdown of what it actually takes to build a one-of-one car, from planning and budgeting to engineering decisions that make or break a build. You might have seen other people do it on this platform, but keeping track of every step is so confusing. That's where this series comes into play. No physical car, no hype. Just real planning, real engineering logic, and real mistakes you need to avoid. Let's start with concept and purpose. What is your performance goals, budget constraints, and build purpose? Before touching tools or parts, every build starts with these decisions. This is not about copying a Ferrari or a Lamborghini. This is about building a one-of-one car, something unique, designed around your goals, your budget, and your skill level. Before we get into what it takes to build a car, you must ask yourself these questions, starting with performance goals. You must define what the car is supposed to do. Power, straight line speed or usable performance. Handling, street comfort or track precision. Efficiency, fuel, cooling, and reliability. You cannot optimize everything. Every choice has trade-offs. The next question is budget constraints. This is the most important part. You need to answer one question honestly. How much are you actually willing to spend? Your budget determines platform choice, powertrain options, safety level, materials, timeline. A realistic budget saves projects from dying halfway. And finally, build purpose. What is this car built for? Daily driving, weekend performance, track use, race-only build. The purpose dictates every system on the car. So what does it take to build a car? This series will break the entire build into clear categories, so nothing is missed. Starting with platform and chassis, powertrain, transmission and drivetrain, suspension and handling, brakes and safety systems, electronics, software and control systems, body design and aerodynamics, interior and driver interface. This video is just an overview. In future episodes, we'll break down every single category you've seen here, one by one, in dedicated videos, using real planning logic and no guesswork. If you want to learn how to build a true one-of-one car at home, make sure to like the video and subscribe so you don't miss any upcoming episodes. Thanks for watching.